Hey guys, thought I'd make a quick little mini 2T22 update. As for what I've gotten done, all 22 horns are now attached and glued in place. The intake tubes are also put on, and pretty much the only thing I have left to do is clean up this intake cone and make the mounting support for it so it'll hold it up about like that. So I guess I'll do a quick little show around. My phone's charging, so I can't do the best camera maneuvering, but yeah, there's that. And somebody asked me for what the chopper looks like. That's all you're gonna be able to see without me tearing it apart. I might do a future video of it all torn apart, like the tubes off and the choppers out, and just show it how I put it together. Anyway, horns are done. Everything else is done. Just gotta get that cone on top, and I guess now I'll do a quick little run-up video. After I put the horns on, two mistakes I noticed I made. There's a slight gap in between the horn and the stator. Not sure if you can see that. Trying to get this to focus. This is gonna be difficult. There we go. Anyway, there's a slight gap. You could kind of see the chopper flickering right there. There's a slight gap on all of them for top and bottom. So I think that has something to do with the second mistake, and that is it kind of muted it slightly. It's not as loud and ear piercing as it used to be. Not that big a deal for me because I just cared about it looking close to what the real one is and sounding as accurate as I could get it. So it still sounds accurate. It just doesn't have as much of a punch and volume as it used to. Which is fine because I didn't want to deafen myself anyway. So with that said, I guess I'll do a quick little run-up of it. It won't sound accurate on wind up and wind down because that's just me turning it. But I'll try and get it as close to the pitch as a real one as I can. So anyway, I'll shut up and here we go. Alright, well, that's all for this little update. Hopefully more videos come later on. Again, I don't know when. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.